You can also easily insert our diagrams inside of Google Drawings. So to insert our diagrams, first of all, you need to click on Insert right here. And here you can see diagram is an option. So once you click on this, over here on the right side, you got various diagrams that you can insert. So let's say I want to insert the cycle diagram. So if I were to click on this, you can see that cycle diagrams appear. You can also go around and choose the number of steps right here and choose the color of the diagram that you want to insert. So if I were to go around and choose, let's say red, you got red cycle diagrams, as you can see, with 5 steps. So I can choose the diagram that I want and it'll be inserted, and over here you can see that these are just a bunch of shapes right here which are pre-arranged. So you can go around over here and replace out the text right here according to how you like it. Let's say, for example, you want to go around and replace the text. Just double click and replace it. You can select it out and then arrange out the formattings of the text as well. Let's say, for example, you want to change the font right here, or you want to change the color right here. Then you can apply all of the effects just like this, as you can see. And that is how you can work around with diagrams and insert out diagrams inside of Google Drawings. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.